Algebra 1 EOC practice test number 18. A rock is thrown from a cliff in a ravine. The function f of t describes the height in feet of the rock t seconds after it is thrown. What is the height of the rock in feet 8 seconds after it is thrown? Write your answer in the space provided of your answer document. All right, so if we need to know when it's 8 seconds, okay, so we're looking for the height in feet of a rock t seconds. So t is time. So all I'm going to do is substitute 8 in my equation to find out what the height is going to be. So h of t equals negative 16 times 8 squared plus 192 times 8 plus 2560. So I can pull out my calculator as long as I type this in correctly. This should be a quick, easy answer. So I'm going to have negative 16 times 8 squared. Make sure you bring this back down so everything doesn't stay squared. And then plus 192 times 8. And then plus 2560. Hit enter. And I can see that that's 3072. So in the blank provided, I'm going to write 3072 feet. So I know it is in feet. And after 8 seconds, the rock thrown will be at 3,072 feet. All right, that's it for number 18.